I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat my spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at an all-new block set. This here is Popeye the Sailor Man by Pantasy, a company that makes a variety of different block sets, in which they sent us this one here to reveal. Now, I'm actually a fan of Popeye, mainly because of the fact that I grew up watching the show, and this is pretty cool mainly because of the fact that you get both Popeye as well as olive oil, and essentially you get this really unique design set, essentially a diorama display showcasing. You got a lighthouse, you have like water, a little island, and it just has a really cool reminiscence of the show itself. Now, if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below the description, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here's our packaging, this here is our box. Looks really cool, kind of showcases it right over here, as well as Popeye on the top here, eating his spinach of course. I love the cover art and has a lot of cool looking reminiscences. Now, as you kind of rotate it about, kind of shows some different clip arts here, and it kind of explains what you get here. So it stands about 35.5 centimeters tall with 33.3 centimeters wide, and then you do get two different face configurations for Popeye as well as Olive, and then you have a fully posable body, meaning you can go ahead and essentially design it to do just about anything. And yeah, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so you do get these two boxes here. I love the black and white finish to it. Definitely has a nice comical design to it. And then inside here is going to have all our pieces. So let's take a look at this. Alright, and then we have our building manual here. So we have essentially step-by-step directions on how to go ahead and build it. Kind of talks about a little bit more in terms of the history right over here. So it says Popeye gets instant strength from eating spinach. And then obviously if you've seen the show, it makes more sense. We also have the magical pet of Popeye. This here is Jeep. Then we have olive oil, which is Popeye's girlfriend. And then Popeye itself. So it kind of explains who the characters are. And then as you kind of show here, it kind of shows you how to go ahead and build it. Overall, it doesn't seem too complicated. It looks like there's a total of 100 and plus pages in here. 142 pages. So pretty cool stuff. And then the back here shows other characters as well. So they have Astro Boy. That is neat. And then we also have looks like a TV show here. I mean, should be exciting to see how this plays out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and build ourselves a Popeye set. Alright, check it out. So this here is our final kit, and overall I have to say it looks really cool. I love all the small different details, from the starfish to the crab. You have this little wave in the back, and then you have this beautiful looking lighthouse. Now they do have the two characters here which are fully posable. You can go ahead and just take them out just like this, and you can see here you can actually have them flex in different ways. He even has a little tattoo there on his arm. Again, the face is swappable, so you can take out the eyepiece there and put it on a different one based on your own personal preference in terms of what kind of scene you're creating. So you have a little Jeep here, so you just kind of pose any way you like, and I love the fact that it does give you the ability to go ahead and position it any way you like. So overall, a really cool design concept, and they use a lot of different pieces to make this work, and the platform itself is very sturdy. The only thing I would recommend is if you are kind of shaking about like this, the characters will tip over, and the actual lighthouse is not as secure as it should be, so it will come off. So if you are transporting it, make sure you remove everything off of it at once before you go ahead and do so. That is the best way you can go ahead and move this particular piece. And yeah, there you guys have it. So overall, it's a really nice design concept. And with that said, if you guys had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.